So this is Tŷ Newydd Writing Centre in Llanystumdwy in Gwynedd, and we're the National Writing Centre of Wales. We've been a writing centre now for 33 years, so since 1990. It's a very old building, it has a lot of character, which makes it an excellent place to write and to find creativity.
So the setting itself is beautiful and lovely, and you feel like you're at home. You know, there's like a little fireplace, and then they've got like a kitchen, and there's constantly biscuits baking. It's like a little fairy tale, really. It's so magical.
It's such a privilege to be here in such a nurturing, accessible and inclusive environment.
Dwi'n meddwl, oedd y meddyliau creadigol wastad yna gen ni, ond bod Tŷ Newydd wir wedi helpu roi trefn ar y meddyliau yna, a wedyn gwybod hwyluso a'n arfogi efo ffyrdd I roi hynna wedyn I lawr ar bapur.
If you want some support and help and feedback, you come to places like Tŷ Newydd.
Ond ar ben hynny, mae'r tŷ hun yn reit arbennig. Mae'r hanes i'r tŷ wrth gwrs, ond hefyd dwi'n meddwl bod yr hanes wedi dod ar ôl hynny. Dwi'n ni'n faint o awduron, dwi'n ni'n faint o bobl wedi bod yma sa'r wali yn gallu siarad, dwi'n siŵr sy'n nhw'n gallu dweud lot fawr o bethau.
It was really nice to be in a safe space where I could explore my voice, and Tŷ Newydd really helped unlock that.
I think Tŷ Newydd has been the biggest force in really making me believe that I can make a career being an author.